I'm Jim Stirling of Stirlings Fruit Farms in Greenwich, Nova Scotia, and we farm 400 acres of orchard and 300 or 400 acres of various other crops, vegetables, wheat, and corn. We had our energy audit back in 2009, and since then we've taken some of the recommendations from that energy audit and applied them, spent a little money, and through the FIF, Farm Investment Fund, we've made some changes. And it's to our advantage that these changes have lowered our consumption. We find that our bill hasn't changed a whole lot, but our consumption has gone down a little bit, and we have quite a large electric bill in the range of $75,000. So we're any way at all that we can use to save some energy and some money helps our bottom line. The improvements we made were in CA, storages, and controlled atmosphere. And we did that through torque controllers. Torque controllers allow us to shut our fans off in our evaporators in our controlled atmosphere rooms, that when the room isn't calling for cooling, that the fans shut off, save us energy, and don't create more heat. We switched to, from our belt-driven compressor of the 1950 vintage to a 2009 compressor, and this allowed us to stack in our rooms 9 high instead of previously 6 high. That brought our capacity from 3,000 bins up to 4,500 bins, with a slight increase in energy usage, which really was a less energy usage per pound of apples. The new CA rooms have been upgraded with 4 inches of styrofoam insulation in panels, which is an increase of 2 inches over our spray-on in our older rooms, older controlled atmosphere rooms. We now have doors which are insulated, double insulated, compared to our old doors which aren't insulated at all. And these rooms are very tight. Tighter than our older rooms. We've gone from the older style lighting into T8 high efficiency lighting in our markets. We haven't completed all that yet, but we're doing 1 market a year. We've also increased or improved our lighting in our packing facility, and we're in the process of improving in steps our lighting in the processing area, and we're going to the T8. The ability to do as many changes as we did, as soon as we did, would have not been possible without the FI Farm Investment Fund. We spent a tremendous amount of money on new storages, and they allowed us to make the upgrades so that we could be competitive. The lessons that we've learned on this is that we're trying to do as much as we can, as soon as we can, and we've been too slow at it previously. We can see a big change, and we're quite happy with the changes.